Admittedly, his rendition of Tchaikovsky's 1812 overture is a little off. But he does do other tunes too, like O Madal and Clementine. But this Beethoven of birds is lost, and is now singing his way into the hearts of RSPCA staff.
Probably been here about a week, and we pretty much noticed straight away, as soon as we opened the door to his cage, he started singing at us, showing us his wings, and basically just showing off. Three or four different whistles of songs, and then he can also wolf whistle, beckon you over. Apparently he says, "Here, puss, puss."
Never quite seen a bird like this. I mean, obviously you get the ones who say hello, and the cockatoos that say hello cocky, but one singing the 1812 overture.
And some of the other orphan birds are also realising the value of giving a strong performance.
Hello?
But the cockatiel does have a few quirks. Despite his apparent comfort to perform in front of just about anyone, the only place he feels comfortable with strangers is standing on their heads. The RSPCA hopeful his owner will recognise this cocky's chorus and come forward. Jesse Grayson, 10 News.